cells get energy by glucose, which comes from broken down food. The cell tries to absorb the glucose, but it needs insulin to act as a key for the cell membrane. The insulin opens the door for the glucose, and the glucose gets absorbed into the cell. But what if your body doesn't produce any insulin? No insulin means no energy. Being a type 1 diabetic means your pancreas doesn't produce enough insulin for your cells to get the food that they need. The glucose builds up in your bloodstream and leads to high blood sugar levels. Having a healthy diet is very important for a diabetic. Eating the right kinds of foods can help minimize the effects of late-stage diabetes. Vegetables and proteins are mainly what you're going to want to stick to. Eating carbs and sugary foods needs to be kept at a minimum. Working out and staying active is just as important as dieting. The vigorous movements help work the glucose into the cells a lot easier. It is important that you routinely work out and make a schedule. Being a diabetic and having a sedentary lifestyle is very, very dangerous. The way you test your blood sugar levels is first by putting a small drop of blood on a testing strip. Next, you place the testing strip at a meter that displays your current blood sugar level. Depending on how high or low your blood sugar level is, the doctor or yourself will inject the correct amount of insulin that you need for that meal. The A1 blood test is a long-term test that measures the average blood sugar level of the subject over a year. It is mostly used for deciding whether or not a subject has diabetes.